Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add a shipping address to the Nike Store application. So how do you add a shipping address to the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store application. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap Settings. A menu like this will appear. Next, tap Shipping Information. A menu like this will appear. Tap Add Address. A data entry menu will appear. Next, fill in your full name, including your first and last name. Next, enter your phone number. Finally, enter your shipping address. Once you're done, tap Add Shipping Address. You're done adding your shipping address. So, that's it for this tutorial on how to add a shipping address to the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.